Hello and welcome to Umalox. Are you looking for your next stunning Brazilian wood twist hairstyle? Get ready to fall in love with the hottest trends in Brazilian wood twists. In this video, we have curated beautiful collection of Brazilian wood twist hairstyle for you. Brazilian wool is taking the hair game by storm. It's lightweight, affordable, and gives you that beautiful natural texture without the commitment of extensions. We are seeing a massive wave of creativity and style. Think classic sleek small twists that offer incredible versatility for styling, from buns to ponytails. Or maybe you are ready for the drama of jumbo twists, perfect for a bold statement look that is quick to install. For the naturalista who loves length, try the ultra chic lightweight long bob or even a full-length 2-strand Brazilian wood twist that hits your waist. Add colors. You can try other colors. Don't limit yourself to black Brazilian wool. You can go for rich burgundy, deep honey blonde, or vibrant mixed tones in your wool twists. They are a perfect way to express your unique style this season. Brazilian wood twists aren't just a style, they are a protective powerhouse for your natural hair. So continue watching this video to see all the Brazilian wood twist hairstyle we have compiled just for you. You can go ahead to save this post. Go ahead to screenshot the style of your choice, find your inspiration, and tell us in the comments below which Brazilian wood twist you are trying next. Find your inspiration and tell us in the comments below which Brazilian wood twist you are trying next. And if you found this video helpful, please do well to like, subscribe to Locks for more amazing hairstyles.